Good morning, student. Today's topic is distance between two skew lines. Firstly, we know what is skew line. Two or more lines which have no intersection and not parallel are called skew line. Since two lines are either parallel or intersect, then skew lines can exist only three or more dimensions. Now, distance between two skew lines. Consider there are two lines r vector equal a1 vector plus lambda b1 vector, and second line is r vector equal a2 vector plus mu b2 vector. Then distance between, or the shortest distance between the lines are hd equal, hd means shortest distance, b1 cross b2 means cross product of b1 and b2 dot a2 minus a1 by mod p1 cross p2, and since the distance is positive, then whole value is in the mod. Again, if lines are given in Cartesian form, that is, suppose first line is x minus x1 upon a1 equal y minus y1 upon b1 equal z minus z1 upon c1. It is first line. And the second one is x minus x2 upon a2 equal y minus y2 upon b2 z minus z2 upon c2. It is second line. Then shortest distance between these lines is x2 minus x1 y2 minus y1 z2 minus z1. Determinant of third order. Second row is a1 b1 c1. Third row is a2 b2 c2 upon square root b1 c2 minus b2 c1 whole square plus c1 a2 minus a1 c2 whole square. We can also write it a2 c1 minus c1 a2 minus a1 c2 and a1 b2 minus a2 b1. and it is the shortest distance formula for two Cartesian line, and whole value in the mod. We write it again. No, it is okay. We can change a Cartesian equation into a vector equation and learn only one formula, shortest distance. Otherwise, we can learn both.